Affiliate marketing. Good day. Scarecrow here. Today, I will cover affiliate marketing. So, let's go. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where a business rewards one or more affiliates for each visitor or customer brought by the affiliate's own marketing efforts. Essentially, it's a partnership where affiliates promote a company's products or services and earn a commission for each successful referral. Here's a breakdown of how it works. Key components. 1. Merchant, advertiser. The company that creates and sells the product or service. They provide the affiliate with marketing materials, such as links, banners, and product information. 2. Affiliate, publisher. The individual or company that promotes the merchant's products or services. They use various marketing channels, such as websites, blogs, social media, and email marketing. 3. Affiliate network, optional. A platform that connects merchants and affiliates. They provide tracking, reporting, and payment services. Examples include Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and Commission Junction. 4. Customer. The individual who purchases the product or service through the affiliate's referral. How affiliate marketing works. 1. Affiliate joins a program. The affiliate joins an affiliate program, either directly with the merchant or through an affiliate network. 2. Affiliate promotes products. The affiliate promotes the merchant's products or services using their chosen marketing channels. 3. Customer clicks affiliate link. A customer clicks on the affiliate's unique tracking link. Purchase is tracked. The affiliate network or merchant tracks the customer's purchase. 4. Affiliate earns commission. The affiliate earns a commission based on the agreed upon terms. Types of affiliate marketing. 1. Unattached affiliate marketing. The affiliate has no connection to the product or service they are promoting. 2. Related affiliate marketing. The affiliate promotes products or services that are related to their niche or audience. 3. Involved affiliate marketing. The affiliate uses and endorses the products or services they are promoting. Benefits of affiliate marketing. 1. For merchants. Increased brand awareness. Expanded reach. Performance-based marketing. Cost-effective marketing. 2. For affiliates. Passive income potential. Flexibility and freedom. Low startup costs. Ability to monetize their audience. Key considerations. Transparency. Affiliates should disclose their affiliate relationships to their audience. Relevance. Affiliates should promote products or services that are relevant to their audience. Quality. Affiliates should promote high-quality products or services. Trust. Building trust with their audience is essential for affiliates. Affiliate marketing can be a mutually beneficial arrangement for both merchants and affiliates, when done correctly. Now, if you like the topic, give a like or comment or hit the subscribe bell for more.